A very good evening, everyone, and myself Priya is back again with the Hindu editorial analysis on 1st September 2020. So, in this editorial session, we are going to discuss the both articles which are in this editorial, and the first article is Quantum, Not a Solace, and the second one is The Right Keys. So, like in this editorial session, we are going to cover you the total vocabulary part which is in this without missing any word, and with explaining the words, and I'm also going to give you an example of each and every word. So I hope if I explain you like this, you can understand it very clearly. So we'll move quicker and faster into this editorial session, and my request from my side is to watch the video very carefully so that you can understand it very carefully, very clearly, right? Quantum, not a solace. So quantum itself indicates it's like some quantum is different, is having different meaning when we compare with the physics. There is other meaning of quantum and physics, but in this article it is different, totally it is different. Quantum is nothing but quantity, amount, part, bulk. Earnings depend on quantum of work done by you. Earnings depend on quantum of work done by you. Not a solace. Solace is nothing but comfort in time of distress, consolation, cheer. Music was a great solace for me. So whenever you feel stressed, generally, if anyone feels stressed, they just listen to music, so that they will feel a little bit relieved. Like for example, take me, even me. Whenever I feel very stressed, so I listen to the music. So I think music was a great solace for me. Distress. Okay. Supreme Court sentence on Bhushan diminishes its stature, exposes intolerant side. There is a sentence, or like there is something, on Bhushan, which will diminish the stature. Stature is nothing but reputation or height. For naturally, you call it as a person's height or repute status. His status as an art critic was tremendous. Okay. Prashant, in imposing a nominal fine. The penalty may be mild, but its import is quite grave. The penalty may be mild, like little, but its import is quite grave. Import is nothing but like import and export, right? What you think is like what else I think is, so something goods which we taken, like entering into it, buying from abroad. Export is to give them, like that. You don't even expect that in this import word, the meaning of it is indicate or signify. Okay, there is a meaning for import which is like I didn't indicate or signify. It is still too early to judge the political import of his speech. Okay. Prashant Bhushan for criminal contempt of court, and in the even of default, asking him to serve a 3-month simple reason term and be debarred for 3 years from legal practice. Contempt of court means disrespect towards the court. So what they did is just a 1 rupee charge, fine, or you think anything else, and he was debarred, or he was not able to do any legal services for the next 3 years. So what remember debarred? Exclude or prohibit officially, ban, bar. He was debarred from the club for unacceptable behavior. And the event of default, asking him to serve a 3-month simple prison term and be debarred for 3 years from legal practice. The Supreme Court has bared its dark and tolerant side. That this was in response to tweets that contained criticism of the CJI, of the current CJI, and some of his predecessors, diminishes the court stature much more than the upstanding lawyers' tweets that contain insinuations, insinuations and opinions, or you can say suggestions also. Insinuations and opinions that the judiciary found unpalatable. So what is my predecessor? Like antecedent or forerunner, precursor. Okay, this system is much more efficient than its predecessor, right? So the current system which is running now, it's much beneficial or like in a very good condition than what the predecessor system was. Or unpalatable. Unpalatable is nothing but not pleasant to taste, unappetizing or disagreeable. Raising income tax rates is politically unpalatable, right? During the hearing on sentencing, it appeared that the bench had painted itself into a corner and was looking for a way out by seeking an apology so that a quitus could be given to the whole issue. Quitus is not death or something that causes death. Okay, but in this case, it's not related to death, but it is of either release or discharge. According to the doctor, I should have a quitus of knee pain after the surgery. Okay, so you don't seem to be death, right? It is about release or discharge. And the next, where are we? However, Mr. Bhushan was in no mood to oblige, placing his bona fides and conscience about the need to give a face-saving option to the court to close the case. So what are my bona fides? Genuine, real, authentic. Make sure you're dealing with the bona fide company, like you're dealing with the genuine company, right? It is unfortunate, like unlucky, that the court did not heed the Attorney General's voice, counsel that it should display magnanimity by not imposing any sentence and by considering the tweets as bona fides expression of criticism at improving their institution stature. Okay, like what is magnanimity? So like if you understand the main leading word in this, you can understand the whole passage. So what is magnanimity? It's nothing but generous, benevolence, or chivalry, right? Okay, and the next one is the 82-page sentencing verdict, much like the 108-page judgment finding Mr. Bhushan guilty, such much stored by the claim that it is not so much the reputation of individual judges that the court is seeking to protect, but the standing of the institution in the eyes of the public, whose faith and trust are necessary for its sustenance. What about sustenance? Like if you remember the word sustainable, there is similar meaning to the word sustenance even. Sustenance is nothing but maintains, means of support, nourishment or food. The ranch animals get a lot of the sustenance from grazing. If the judiciary's majesty, dignity and trustworthiness were indeed the values at stake, it would have been far more advisable for the court not to have taken up this matter on its own motion. For instance, the defense of truth taken by Mr. Bhushan has been categorized as something that aggravates to the contempt. The reasoning is right. Past CJIs and retired judges whose conduct and opinions were sought to be marshalled in Mr. Bhushan's defense could not have been embroiled in the current proceedings. We what is meant by marshalled? So contempt you already know, disregard or disrespect. She beneath contempt. Okay, marshal, assemble or arrange people in groups, gather, collect. The company is marshalling its resources for a long court case. Okay. However, this was fairly obvious when the court issued notice to him. Surely someone cannot be found guilty of contempt without giving him an opportunity to explain his view that CGIs of the last 6 years has contributed to the destruction of democracy. This proceeding was fated to shine a light on the court's conduct rather than on the actions of the contemner and the ultimate analysis. It's not a verdict that purges Mr. Bhushan of any contempt. Rather, it comes across as an unfair but inevitable punishment for his refusal to apologize or express regret for his opinions on the conduct of the judiciary in recent times. Okay, what is meant by fated? Be destined to become a be destined to happen or be sure. She says she was fated to become a writer, purge, get rid of unwanted quality, remove or removal or ejection. The system is designed to purge impurities from the city's drinking water, to remove the unwanted quality. So like if you filters you call, right? For example, in an example case I'm saying, so if you keep a filter, you'll purge out the wastewater. That is nothing but you'll remove the unwanted waste will be removed, right? And we completed our first article, and the tone of the article today is critical. It's completely critical. no doubt, and it is very completely critical. And I hope that every one of you have understood the first article, and I thank every one of you for watching this video. Thank you very much.